Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to convert built-in render project to universal render pipeline in Unity. First go to Window, Package Manager. Select Unity Registry tab. Scroll down until you find Universal URP package. Click Install. After installation completed, right-click on Assets folder, Create, Rendering, URP Asset. Edit Project Setting. Select Graphic tab. Drag new URP asset into the default render pipeline. Done. Now we have project working with Universal Render Pipeline. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.